Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your immunization records with CVS Health detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your immunization records with CVS Health, start by visiting the CVS Health website. Locate the immunization section on the home page. Click on the link that says Access your immunization records. You may be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create a new account, follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Ensure your email and phone number are accurate for account verification. Once logged in, navigate to the section for uploading immunization records. You will have the option to upload a file or enter details manually. If uploading a file, ensure that the document is in an acceptable format. Select the file from your device and click Upload. If entering details manually, fill in the required fields with your immunization and make sure all details are accurate for smooth processing. After entering or uploading your records, review the information for any errors. Once confirmed, submit your immunization records. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your submission was successful. Allow some time for CVS Health to process your records. You can check the status of your upload by returning to your account dashboard. If your records do not appear after a few days, consider contacting customer support for assistance. Follow any additional instructions provided by CVS Health upon submission. Your immunization records should now be connected with CVS Health, allowing for easy access in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.